Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setouts, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So in a ways, the euro dollar last couple months very strong to the downside. We are at the 50% Fibonacci retracement. We have taken out this liquidity down here. Now we don't know for sure if this 50% is going to hold. It could possibly go down to the 61% or even lower than that. Eventually, I do think it is going to end up making a big push up for a running flat wave C or an expanding flat wave C. So anyways, let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely have a pretty strong turn to the upside at the 50% level, but we do not have a breaker structure or a higher low or anything telling us for sure that this downtrend is complete. If anything, to me, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and it looks like it should go down again to make a wave 5. So going down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, definitely no breaker structure to the upside. Some of the other dollar pairs have broken structure to the upside. So this one has not. It looks like it's going to because it is above the 78%, and normally when the market's above the 78% of any given move, then it usually will end up breaking structure before it actually does make another move to the downside. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, I still think it looks like a potential 5 waves up right here, which I think is still a wave A. I still think that this is like a wave B. Now we have non-farm payroll coming out today, which is a pretty decent news event usually. It kind of seems like at this point it is probably going to go up and break structure. I'm kind of hoping that this is a wave C and that it rejects structure and actually goes down, because that would potentially be the wave 3, the wave 4, and the wave 5 that I was talking about on the daily and weekly time frame. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I said, we are definitely going up right now on the sort of time frames. There's no doubt about that. We have non-farm payroll coming out today. So we are very, very close to this breaker structure area. I think at this point it probably is going to go up and grab the liquidity that's probably sitting up there. And I would like to see it go up and then reverse to the downside. If it does that and then breaks structure, then I definitely would take it as a sorting opportunity, potentially for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, I would have to see it do this right here. I would have to see it go up, reverse back down, and break structure. If I do not see this picture right here, then I would not take it as a sorting opportunity. Hopefully, non-farm payroll is known for like spike reversals, so hopefully it goes up, takes all the liquidity up here, then reverses back down, grabs a breaker structure, giving us a sorting opportunity for what likely will end up being a wave 5 on like the daily weekly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.